Good. In a minute, we'll see if you can hold a spoon and help. Hey guys, Tino and I are back for another cooking video. We'll see how it goes. We sort of have a mini issue with our hats, but before I do anything, could you guys subscribe, pay it forward, let Tino and I know that you're watching, maybe make a comment, and let's go ahead and get started. Have you guys ever felt tired in the morning? Head up, wait, good boy, wait. He smells his apples, which he's gonna get, but have you guys ever felt tired in the morning and you can't sleep very well, and your hormones are all over the place? Maybe you're going through menopause, maybe you're having thyroid issues. We've had all those things, except he hasn't had menopause, but anyway, and I just wanted to share with you this wonderful little recipe, how to make little candies to help your adrenals work better and help your endocrine system work better. Head up, head up. No, head up. Good. Can we back up? Oh, you're so good. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put a little bit of coconut oil. Wait, good boy. We're gonna put a little bit of coconut oil in our bowl. He smells those apples. Back, back, back. Wait, you're such a good helper. And then we're going to put a little bit of carob. This is way you guys can share it with your dogs and with your horses. There's no toxicity to carob. And we got the light roasted carob from the co-op. And wait, just wait. You have to wait your turn. So 2 tablespoons of carob, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Good boy, you're doing so good. You really are. I like to use Baker's chocolate. I know Tino does too. And so then we can, once we put the herb in there, head up, head up. You're doing good. Wait a second. So the herb that we're going to use today is rhodiola. Rhodiola is a wonderful herb. Usually we think of it, I'm going to put 2 big tablespoons in there. It tastes real similar to carob, really. Let's see. Oh, you know what? We are looking for our honey or maple syrup. Oh, just wait, hold on, wait, doing good. We actually have a bunch of other ingredients we never unlocked. You know, sometimes you just can't be, wait, too prepared. You gotta do it right in front of people. Okay, I'm gonna use some maple syrup instead of honey. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of, maybe a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half of maple syrup. He likes maple syrup. Don't worry, you'll get some. And I'm gonna put a little bit of almond butter in there. I'm actually gonna put like 3 tablespoons of almond butter in there. What do you think, Tino? Should we put more? Less? I don't know. We need quite a bit of almond butter. Just raw almond butter. You're doing good. Let's wait. Good. And then at the end, we can use coconut flakes and goji berries to roll it up, and cacao nibs. Actually, you know what, you guys? Let's put some cacao nibs in there right now. Cacao is a wonderful superfood. Good boy. Wait, I know you're doing good. We're just gonna put a little sprinkle of cacao nibs in there. And we're gonna go ahead and stir it up. So really, the active ingredient in here is rhodiola. Wait, I don't want to let him have the food yet because, wait, what do you think? So, you guys, it's just almond butter and maple syrup, wait, and carob. You know, it's hard when your sous chef wants to eat all the food. That's when it gets rough. Okay, so we're gonna stir that all in there. Yes, I know. You're very, yes, you're very right. No, you're right. I know it should be about you, and it's about rhodiola balls instead. So this recipe, this idea for a recipe came from Rosemary Gladstar. You guys know I trained with her at Sage Mountain, back when she had Sage Mountain. She's amazing. She has an amazing Instagram following, and she does like a really amazing post still, even though I think she's kind of semi-retired. Okay, we're gonna try our best not to get horsehair in here. Okay, so then what we do is we just roll them up So we're gonna just roll them up. Wait, no, 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 no. Gosh, I think he's salivating on things. Okay, can you back up? Oop, and then your hat. There we go, wait. Okay, you guys, you can roll these in coconut flakes. So this is a little Zoom ball. We're gonna roll it in coconut flakes. We can roll it in goji berries. What else can we use? So this is a beautiful little chocolate, right? No, don't eat that, don't. You're doing good. Hey, remember how we did, you wanna hold the spoon? Can you hold the spoon? Yes. You wanna pick it up? You wanna pick, okay, you can pick up the spoon, but nothing else, okay? I'm gonna get that. So you guys, so you just roll these chocolates out in coconut. Coconut's nice because, head up. Okay, that was my fault. My bad. That didn't work very well. Okay, we're gonna wait on that. And then, you know, you can roll them in coconut flakes, and they're pretty, right? And you can roll them up in a little bit of goji berry. We're gonna do that. If you guys like these videos where Tino shows you how to cook things, or not cook things, in this case, the ingredients are all raw. Could you guys subscribe, share, comment? Let me know. Do you make healthy treats with your horse? Come on. I think he wants some goji berries. You know what we're gonna do at the end is we're gonna give Tino, let's do a taste test with Tino. Okay, you guys. So here we have a coconut rhodiola ball, and here we have a goji berry rhodiola ball. And you could just make these little balls up with carob, and if you want to use honey, you can use honey, you can use maple syrup. And if you just pop one in your mouth, now you have at least 200 milligrams of rhodiola, which is an amazing amount. You can have it in the morning and help wake yourself up without coffee, without caffeine. Oops, there we go. Okay, let's go ahead and see what Tino likes. Let's see if Tino likes goji berries. He's never had them before. He'll put anything in his mouth. Maybe. Let's see if he tries it again. Yeah, maybe. Let's see if Tino likes carob. Now, to my knowledge, horses have no chocolate toxicities. But you know what? Carob, I'm not sure he's going to like carob. Good boy. You like that? No, he doesn't like that. Okay. And we're also having hat issues. Okay, hold on. No. Good boy. You don't like that. You don't have to walk away. Just tell everyone you don't like it. Come on over. We'll get an apple. Oh, good boy. Do you want to try a little bit of the Zoom ball, Mr. Tino? Here. You want to try that? No? Okay, wait. All right, I know what he likes. Tino, wait. Okay, now we're upset. Tino, come. Tino, come. Up. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, we're back. We had to go fetch Tino. He hated carob so bad he went to the other side of the arena. So we know he likes apples. Let's go ahead and give him one. Hey, if you guys like these videos, go ahead and comment, share with your friends. Tell them how crazy Tino and I are. Tell them about rhodiola and how amazing it is.